to pay attention to some important points when purchasing a robot vacuum cleaner. Cleaning performance. Vacuum cleaner performance should be examined in terms of factors such as vacuum power, effectiveness on different floor types, and dust capacity. Reviews and user comments can give an idea on this subject. Floor compatibility. It is important to consider what floor types are available in the house. It is necessary to investigate how it performs on different floor types such as carpet, hard floor, and wood. Navigation and mapping. A good robot vacuum cleaner should have features such as collision avoidance, detecting obstacles, and mapping rooms when moving between rooms. Thus, it can clean more efficiently. Battery life and charging time. Usage time and charging time are important. It is necessary to consider how long the vacuum cleaner can work and how long it takes to charge. Filtering system.